Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I saw a lot of news that Snapchat is arrived on Microsoft Store. So today I want to check whether Snapchat is arrived on Microsoft Store or not. What are its features? I am really excited to explore its new features. So let's go and try install Snapchat. First of all, let's go to Microsoft Store. Here, search for Snapchat. Oh my god, finally Snapchat is arrived on Microsoft Store. Let's click on Get and install it as soon as possible. I think it will take some time. Oh, it's only 1 MB. Great. Installing. Oh, installation completed. Let's try to open this application. I don't want any of this, so I will click on Do Not Allow. Now the next procedure is to log into my Snapchat account. Type your username or email address and password here. After typing your password, click on Verify icon. Oh, this verification is really interesting. Elephant one done. Here, where is elephant? Yeah, here it is. Actually, I really like this kind of verification thingy instead of some letters, digits, or something. Blah blah blah. Yeah, verification is complete, and now click on login to enter into your Snapchat account. After logging in, if you received this kind of prompt, then take your phone and open Snapchat in your phone and click on yes to continue. After clicking yes, the Snapchat will redirect to some other window. Here, click on get started. The user interface is actually nice. Block, I don't want to receive any notification. But let's allow this. Yeah, actually they have made a beautiful user interface for the web version or Microsoft version. So let's see someone snap from here. For that, click on new snap. Let's try to click on new snap. Oh my god, open the mobile app to view. Oh my god, I don't know then why they made this application. Just for chatting they made this application. Anyway, right now they are not allowing us to open any snap through Microsoft or through the web version. Then why they released this? I think just for chatting they released this. Even I can't find where is my friend's location and all. I don't know why they released it too early, this application. At least we should need to see snaps now. But for seeing snaps, we need our phone to or smart device to open the snaps. Nothing, no feature is there. Only if you want to chat, you can download and install this application or directly go to web version for chatting. We already have a lot of other applications for chatting. Then why should we need Snapchat to chat? I think they will release new features in upcoming updations. Maybe this is just for testing purpose they released. I don't know why they released this too much early. But with this in my laptop, it's totally useless for me. I will directly uninstall right now. Search Snapchat. Yeah, it's totally best right now. Better you use Snapchat from your phone itself. Success, uninstalled complete. Totally waste. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video which saved your valuable time by not installing this version of Snapchat. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for next video. And see you guys. See you in the next video.